Okay, I'm planning to vlog this trip, and I've done a bad start to the job of vlogging, but I'm so behind. I have to pack. I have like a whole to-do list. I have to make a return. I'm supposed to shower and do my hair. That's not happening. I'm just putting dry shampoo in it and calling it a day. I have to be at the airport in 4.5 hours. I'm going to drop him off, this one off, and that's going to take an hour and a half. So is this anything new in my life? No, it's not, but here we are. I'm a mess, but we're going to Ireland. It's gonna be so much fun, and I can't wait to just take so many videos and create this memory to have, and videos of it and photos. I'm gonna shoot film, and I'm gonna bring my other camera, so it'll be so much fun. I'm excited, even though right now I'm stressed and I gotta go. It's green light. Ah! Here we are. We have 3 hours until takeoff. Bag check, security, get a beer. There it is.
Why don't we have a selfie?
Do you know what a vlog is?
No.
It means I'm videoing it. Gonna make a video at the end.
Oh.
Have you ever heard of that? You don't watch YouTube vlogs when you're getting ready in the morning?
Are you still videoing?
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. We are here. Oh, look, Pittsburgh. That's funny. Boo, Pittsburgh, but yeah, Pittsburgh. What are you getting? We're so hungry. It's what time? Well, my watch is still in American time.
1:30.
1:30. We've been up since
Who knows what?
over 24 hours now. First souvenir of the trip is always. You guys kind of look like twins. Turn your head the other way. Yeah, twins.
Act naturally.
Act natural.
Cheers.
Do you like it? It's good?
Yeah.
Oh.
I picked well.
Okay. Cool. Find anything, but doesn't turn on the light either. This is the whole tour. If I just stand in the corner, we can get it all. Into the day. Tea, coffee, and then drink a Guinness. We have made it. I navigated successfully. Did we get lost?
No, not at all.
Not even once. Yeah.
Carrie saved me.
She goes,
from
I'm
getting
gonna
run over.
I'm gonna go. She starts running. I'm like, stop. She's like, oh, I thought traffic was only coming one way. Almost
Oops.
dies. Crazy. Woo. They're the Guinness horses. They're little
The
babies.
Guinness horses. There you go.
Little Guinness horses.
You're real tiny. Yeah. Really cool.
I looked over to see. So tired. It is 5:30 here, so 11:30 back home. Jet lag, man, it hits you. But here's the view I'm working with. Hey, the river, all the touristy stuff over there. It's like where we've been spending most of our time. And it's the view of our Airbnb, which is like a hotel, but it's cool.
Get out of your way.
Bought some real shit film. We're gonna see how it goes. It has to be really sunny or else it's just gonna turn out blah. So, gonna chase some sun and take some photos. And then we're leaving. And we're going to Galway. Hee out here. Oh my goodness, all the people, here we go.
She said that.